is I can't remember. I'll find the title and then maybe Monday I'll show it to you guys. But it's basically looking at this blue and red lines. Okay, so we took out December's high here, and then price dropped, and when it dropped it took out a weekly low. So that is a change in price direction on a macro level, on a kind of a bigger, not a bigger picture, but on a macro, macro level, not a major level, micro or macro level. And they seek weekly low, okay, and then they seek weekly low, and then they seek weekly low. So if it goes into a pullback, is when it goes up, it's only going into a pullback. So we only have between this high and that low. Remember, when the week started, I said this could potentially go into a pullback into between this high and that low, and it could retrace to the 70 to 75%, right? And that's why I said that, because we are seeking previous week's lows. So if it pulls back up the following week, maybe not the following week, but 2 weeks after, it might drop. So next week it might go up, drop, and then the following week continue dropping. Okay, so not next week. Next week will give us something like this. Let me draw the picture. Next week will probably give us something like this. Yep. Will give us next week will give us something like this. And then the week probably will end, and then the following week we get something like this. Come back down and take out this low. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, all right, so that's New Zealand CAD. If you want, you can find yourself along next week and then see a continuation to the upside. All right, they are running a short-term low in here. Depending on how next week will open, maybe they might retrace a little bit more into the 4-hour down candle here. Okay, maybe next week when it open they might retrace. Remember, the 4-hour is currently bullish, so, and we did close above this high. This level is important. If you drop down inside that level, you find your gap right there. That will be your entry. If you want to, if you don't want to be in front of the screen, that will be your entry. All right, and then you'll be targeting these levels. Okay, so I'll leave this one here.